to be alive. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lattydesire. Today I'm outside the walls of my bedroom and into the snow. So all my life I've traveling, I've never ever experienced what it is like to be in the snow. So I am going to be definitely sharing this experience with you today. All right, so if you're not yet a part of this family, go ahead, click the subscribe button and join a family where there's full positivity, inspiration, and fun. So comment down below what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video and show me that you are truly supporting this channel by clicking on the like button. So let's just get right into the video.
We living free. Minding my business, doing what's right. I'm living happy. Yes, I'm alright. Taking chances. I'm doing just fine. Walking on sunshine. I'm living life.
Okay guys, so I'm going up the road right now to get some hot chocolate and croissant to start my day, to get a little bit warm up and put on my gloves and let's have fun. So let's go. Okay guys, so this is what it currently looks like right now outside.
Yeah, but for those, yeah, like
Hello,
it's
guys.
more than like a lot more money.
Hi John Claude.
Hi, how are you?
How are you doing this morning?
I'm doing great, excellent.
You doing great?
I'm alive. by
Did
the
you
grace
tell
of
him to
God.
subscribe to my channel?
Huh?
Did you tell him to subscribe to my channel?
Of course I was. Subscribe. to
Did you
the toys.
subscribe?
Huh?
Did you subscribe to my channel?
Yes, I did.
You did?
I did, yeah.
Show me.
My phone is in my pocket right now.
Alright, let me go. Alright guys, so the snow is going crazy, so we're using an umbrella. This is my friend John Claude. He's gonna be helping me to shoot today, right John?
Yes, yes, yes.
Alright.
I'm the assistant today. No paying assistant. You know? Working hard in the cold. But I am with Warrior Princess, so that's motivation. For those of you who are home watching, cozy, she's out here working, you know?
Working, we ain't drinking no chicken.
Yes.
Oh, let's get some hot chocolate.
Not me, because that's going to send me right to the bathroom.
What?
I hope this wasn't recorded.
It is actually recorded.
You're gonna cut that. That's just some hot chocolate in the booth.
Should I cut it, guys? Wow, there's just so many things to be grateful for. Like, I'm just grateful for this present moment to experience something like this. You know, a lot of people be like, oh, I don't want to go out. Like Johnny was like, no, Latoya. And I was like, get your ass up. Get up and let's go. But we're just going to be outside for a few. And do something today, wherever you are, to give you that burst of energy. My YouTube. Say hi.
What's up?
You subscribe?
Subscribe what? What's the channel?
Lattydesire.
Lattydesire?
Yes. I'm at the deli, guys, so I'm gonna get some hot chocolate. Huh?
You're not in the deli guy. You're in the, with the Ak. You're
In the what?
Ak store.
The what?
The Aki store.
The Aki?
Mm-hmm.
This is the Aki store?
Yeah.
Oh! Look at this guy. Click on it. Lattydesire.
Lati?
Lattydesire. Lattydesire. I think I need to get a new gloves. Yeah, I told them I'm at the deli.
Chocolate, and this is my guy. What's your name, brother?
Mo.
Mo. I'm with Mo. Mo, say hi, Mo. And tell him this is New York City. I'm in New York. I expect that kind of weather. Yeah, then you put a lot of...
Just subscribe.
It's too hot too in the summer.
Everybody complain about anything, man.
Yeah. Tell them. Those are my.
Thank you, Mo.
You're welcome.
So big up yourself.
Huh?
So big up yourself. So big up yourself.
Big up.
Big up.
Yeah,
Big up yourself.
Yourself, yeah.
Big up yourself.
That's
Big up
it.
yourself.
It's a wicked vibe.
Guys, these things are so good and they're so addictive. But I'm gonna grab a croissant and some chocolate.
Before we know the store, right? Or you used to, or you work over there? Yeah, I can't be in the movies.
It's sweet, but it's good.
Yeah, no. No. Store looks better on film.
Alright, so I'm gonna ask him to microwave this because I can't eat it like this. So can you microwave this for me, please? And then he's gonna give me the look. Look at it. He's gonna give me the. He always give me the look.
You want to say heater, right?
Yeah, I want it to be eaten. Did you subscribe to my YouTube channel?
Click.
Hey, did
Yeah.
you subscribe to my YouTube channel?
Oh, me?
Yeah. No?
What's the YouTube? Where can? I
Where's
don't
your
know.
phone?
I don't have phone.
You don't have phone?
You don't have phone.
What
I
do
have
you use?
This phone.
Oh yeah. What the?
I don't know what this your channel is.
Call Laddie.
You have YouTube here?
No.
Why?
Call. What's he gonna call?
He says he's gonna subscribe. He's gonna use it. Wow, look at this. Oh, hi, the snow is. Huh?
Then when he's paying him $70 for the snow. These people don't do. They're gonna have a lot of work to do.
Yeah. I'm. Oh shit! Whoa! Sometimes we take the simplest things for granted. Like, wow! I'm just so grateful right now. Like, I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. Like, just to be in this present moment and experiencing this. And doing something new, you know. So last week I wasn't feeling that of a, you know, perky person, so to do this right now is giving me the burst of energy that I really needed, you know. So do something today that makes you happy, either to draw, write, try something new, right? There's so many things in this life right now that it's so appreciative of. Countless things just to be able to be alive right now is precious.
This is beautiful.
Hey guys, so we're back now, and I just want to share with you guys, last week I was feeling super low energy, and this is why I had to recharge my mind with the speech from Kevin. So now I'm outside, of course, enjoying myself in the snow for a few minutes and to go back to get cozy in my room. And I just want to share this moment with you, and I hope that you're actually having a good time at home. I hope that you do something new this week to give you that burst of energy, and appreciate every single moment guys. There's so much things to be grateful for, especially in a time like this. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's go.
This is nice. And
That was good.
yes.
Did that make sense?
Yes, beautiful.
Guys, I felt. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful week and bye.
Hi.
I'm so grateful to be alive right now. So grateful. It's literally my first time experiencing this, so I'm Lattydesire. I love new things. I love trying. I love learning. So you can't imagine how excited I am right now. Ooh, let's go, guys. Hi, John. How you doing?
Doing excellent. Right.
You're doing excellent.
Thanks for getting me out here.
Bye.